Hi, in this video, we're gonna write an equation for a linear function that satisfy the given conditions. And this set of problem is from section 2.1, so we started a polynomial chapter. Now, the language in this question is a little bit tricky, but this should be a very familiar question. When we say linear function, it means nothing but line. So they're saying in easy word, write the equation of the line. And instead of saying satisfying the given condition, you guys are used to this language, passing through the following points. And how do we know that those given or this notation given represent points? Now, here's the trick. This is f of x equals y, which means this is x and this is y. If I were to write it in a very familiar format, this is going to be -5 comma -1, and this is going to be 2 comma 4. So if we want to rewrite the question in easy words, we would say write the equation of the line that passes through the given points. And we call this function notation versus this one being the point or coordinates x and y. So point format. And going from here, the way we write the equation of the line, we should remember they didn't specify which form they wanted in. So we could write it in slope intercept. If you guys remember from chapter 1, we could also write it in point slope form. But in both ways, we will need the slope, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And we saw there's no, you could actually name this point 1 or this point 1. It doesn't matter as long as you go x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And this will give us 5/7. So that would be the slope. Now we still need the y-intercept. So we're going to write it out. Y equals, now I know the slope, x plus b. And the x and y, we're going to replace them with one of the other points, the coordinates. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose the 2, 4 just because it looks friendly. And I'm going to solve for b. So 4 equal 10/7 plus b. b equal 4 minus 10/7. We are subtracting. This is a fraction, so we need a common denominator. This is over 1. I'm going to multiply it by 7, top and bottom. And my b has a value of 18/7. So the equation of the line will be y equals 5/7x plus 18/7.